Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the top trending designs with the two color options, two new color combinations with elegant light premium quality, the soft chiffon materials with millions of the diamond detailings in entire the body as well as in border part, contrast color combination border with a cutwork elegance patterns in both side of this border part. And we have more than 4,500 plus designs, unique color combination, lightweighted breathable materials and affordable price point. That's my guaranteed. So, must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our applications in Android and iOS device. Let's start the video. First product you can see the sky blue with a magenta color combination, and second one is ash grey with a wooden brown color combination, contrast color combination border part. Let me show you the full look of this saree part. Here you can see entire the body you received ash grey color combinations with millions of the Swarovski diamond work detailings. It with very pretty the wooden brown color combination, the silver Swarovski diamond cut work borders both side of this saree. The saree you received at just rupees 1050, free shipping all over India, perfect for the party collection, cocktail party and minimal function. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the contrast of wooden brown color combinations with the work built in entire the blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel our YouTube channel and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand. And daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point. Here you can see the second color options with the sky blue color combination with a magenta color combination border with the millions of Swarovski diamond cut work patterns in entire the border part. This saree also you received at just rupees 1050, free shipping all over India, Kanivini designs in affordable price point, Kashmir to Kanyakumari you received totally free shipping. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday, morning 10 to evening 6. Here you can see the magenta color combination plain blouse piece, and we are providing total 6 multi-language support in our customer care executive number 8 Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi, total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi, buy now at Vastranand.in.